Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to fix can't open file or how to install .xapk file on your Android device. When you try to open the APK file, you will see this error, can't open file. For this one you have to open Google Play Store and install zarchiver. After installation, open this one. After installation, go to the destination folder and then you have to open that .xapk file here in zarchiver. You just have to click on it and then here you will see the option install. You have to click on it. Now you have to allow the permissions. Go back click on install. Here you can see app installed. Now we will minimize this one. Here you can see our app is successfully installed. So in the same way you can also fix can't open file error, or you can install .xapk file on your Android device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.